So for simultaneous equations, this might be the easiest one you could see, this type here. But I actually have two ways to do it. So I suppose we're talking about ordinary level here, but let me show you the two ways to do it. If just maybe one way is just not working for you in class at the minute. So we've two equations, and these two variables, x and y. So essentially the first way that you're probably used to doing is drawing a line underneath them and matching up to the variables. So that's what we'll do here. So maybe you might see that if we double the bottom line, we're going to get a 2x and a 2y and a 12. And what will happen if we do that? So let's write them out again. So we're not changing the top line, so we can go 3x minus 2y equals to 8. But now multiplying everything on the bottom line by 2 is going to give us 2 times x plus 2 times y equals to 2 times 6, which is 12. Now when we draw a line, the minus 2y and the plus 2y are being added, so they will cancel. Okay, we have a 3x and a 2x. That's going to give us a 5x. And we have an 8 plus 12, which is 20. We can divide both sides by 5 or bring the 5 across, whatever you want, and you'll get that x is equal to 4. Okay, now that we have x equal to 4, we're going to put him back into one of the original equations. Let's pick the easiest one. So instead of x here, we're going to write 4, and we're going to get 4 plus y equals to 6. We're going to bring over that 4, he becomes a minus, so we have 6 minus 4, and we get y is equal to 2. So that's our answer. X equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 is the answer for this one. But let me show you another way to do it that might be quicker for you, I don't know. So when you have simultaneous equations and you have one of the equations that has variables on their own, like singular, what you're going to do is rearrange it to get one of these variables on their own. So let's just pick x. We could have used y here because that's also on its own. It's not 2y, it's not minus y or anything like that. And you could change minus y to a plus y, but really what I'm talking about is not 2y, 3y, 4y. So let's take this equation here, and instead of x plus y is equal to 6, let's say it's x equal to 6, bring over that y, and he's a minus y. So we are now going to take this x, this new rearrangement, which we say x equals 6 minus y, and we're going to put that back into the other equation for x. So I specifically mean what x is equal to. So in this equation up here where we had 3 times x, we're now going to say 3 times, instead of x, we're going to use that 6 minus y. We still have the minus 2y, and we still have the 8. So let's multiply in that 3. We get 18 for 3 times 6 minus 3y minus 2y equals to 8. Minus 3y minus 2y is minus 5y. We bring the 18 over, it becomes a minus 18. 8 minus 18 is going to be minus 10. Two of them are minus. Let's change them both to plus. And we get y equals to